Looking for a home makeover? We have the solution for you. So Tara, not that I would have a problem with avocado-colored kitchen cabinets.
Or shag green carpet.
Right, some people do. Some people are looking to do a makeover on their homes, but where are they going to get the cash?
Yeah, that's a really good point, Rob. And I think a lot of buyers don't realize that there are renovation loans that will allow you to finance in some of those types of improvements into the new loan. And not just shag carpet and avocado cabinets, but also room additions, wall changes, and things that really allow you to make that a home that meets your family's needs.
How about these ADUs?
Yeah, that's a really good point. A lot of people work from home now, Rob, and they're looking to build a separate home office on their property, and this type of a loan could be a great way to do that.
And an ADU is what?
It's an accessory dwelling unit. So all that means is you have your standalone single-family residence, and then you have a Zenden, a casita, a home office, a home gym. I mean, my goodness, there's a ton of different things that people use it for.
Now, people, they go out and buy houses or want to buy houses that are move-in ready.
Yes.
There are great opportunities.
They're going to pay top dollar for that.
Exactly.
Yes.
There are great opportunities for fixer-uppers.
Oh, absolutely. And what a great way for you to be the one who gets to take advantage of that instant equity.
Yeah. Tara, do you do these kinds of loans?
We sure do. Yeah, absolutely. If you guys have questions or want to learn more about this type of home financing, we're happy to help.
Yeah, and thanks for watching.